Luigi! Here I am, Mario! Do. Let's set off on an adventure. Princess Peach has been kidnapped. What? Princess Peach was kidnapped? Yeah, Bowser told me. What? Yeah, Petey Piranha. Of course he tells me this stuff. Well, what did he say? He said look for a hanky. Oh, what the? A hanky? What kind of stupid thing is that? A hanky? Wait, what's that over there on the doorknob? It's a hanky. Luigi, you're a genius! You're a freaking genius! Come here, I want to hug you! Okay, now we gotta fly over there. Yeah, we gotta fly over there. I'm gonna turn into Super Wing Mario. Yeah! Now jump on, Luigi. Oh, you're fat! You're fat! Oh, God! Whee! Woo! We're flying. We're gonna go get that hanky. Whee! There's a hanky. Knock it off. Bowser probably probably use snot to stick it on there. Okay. Get in here. Find Bowser. It's dark in here, Luigi. We're not gonna find Bowser. Wait, there's a light right over here, Mario. No, Luigi, this is supposed to be dramatic. Turn it off. Now. No, turn it on, Mario. Who was that? It was Bowser. Turn the light on. Now, you will finally fall to my awesome wrath. Bowser! Wait, you're a Boo. You're not Bowser. Let's get out of here. But I am Bowser. I got the Metamorph belt. I turned into a balloon Boo. Now feel my wrath. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. You'll have to watch till part 2 to see what happens.